Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to download your credit report from Experian UK. If you've never done this before, don't worry. I'll guide you through the entire process so you can easily access and save your report. First, head over to the Experian website. Once you're there, make sure you are logged in to your account because you won't be able to download or print your full credit report unless you're signed in. To download your report, you'll need to subscribe to a plan called Credit Expert, which costs £14.99 per month. This subscription includes the feature that allows you to print and download your full credit report. The good news is that Experian offers a 30-day free trial, and during this period, you can download or print your credit report without paying anything. So you can take advantage of the free trial if you only need the report once. After logging into your account, go to the Summary page and scroll down until you see the Credit Account Summary section. From there, click on the See Your Full Credit Report button. On the Credit Report page, scroll down again until you find the section that says Need a copy of your credit report? Then simply click on Print or Save your credit report, and your report will be ready to download or print. And that's all it takes to download your credit report from Experian UK. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you did, make sure to give this video a like and consider subscribing for more simple tech tutorials and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.